Hello guys, in this video today we are talking about indoraptors details. So guys, watch video until the end and make sure guys like this video, subscribe my channel and turn on bell notification so you don't miss any video. So guys, let's get start this video. So first of all guys, indoraptor is a hybrid dinosaur that contain indominus sex and velociraptor compart's DNA. Indoraptor was very intelligent by included velociraptor DNA. He was very intelligent that he was capable to make fools humans because his intelligence that gave foolish to guard and escape them. And he was very durable, including indominus rex DNA, because people fire many bullets, but he doesn't work. After some bullets get deflect them. Indoraptor claws was very functional. That cat gave very damage and climb into the walls. Indoraptor bite force is 4 to 5 tons. That get cut off human hands. And indoraptor was made by using dino soldiers to in military, but its intelligence he was threat for humans. After the fight of velociraptor he was die and fall on triceratops skull. Indoraptor was very fast and agile, and he was very because he can dodge any attack. He was capable of this, like indominus rex. Indoraptor have not camouflage ability, and they cannot adopt any climate. So guys, that's all in this video. Make sure guys like this video, subscribe my channel and turn on bell notification so you don't miss any update. So thank you guys.